Chapter number 17, Symmetry. Already we studied in about symmetry in class 6, and what do you mean by symmetry? So a geometrical figure is said to be symmetric about a line if the line divides the figure into two identical parts, same parts. On folding the figure about this line, the two parts of the figure exactly coincide. For example, this is your piece of paper, okay, and now this is the line of symmetry that we are applying, okay. As you can see, this part this red line, okay, and this part and this part are exactly same, okay. So this line is your line of symmetry. One more line of symmetry you can use here. Okay, so this one is again a line of symmetry here. You can perform an activity to understand this line of symmetry in a well mannered way. What you have to do? Simply use a paper, clear? Then the fold paper. For example, this is your paper. Now fold this paper about this line. Vertically fold the paper. And now observe that the two sides, this side and this side, are equal or not. Okay? Then you can do in the same paper, fold paper by this line. Again you will get the same paper, means same part, both sides. So this part will coincide this part, okay. Then this part will coincide this part. तो सिमेट्री में क्या है, जैसे एक पेपर आपके पास होगा, उस पेपर को अगर आप फोल्ड करते हैं तो आप फोल्ड करने के बाद ये देखेंगे कि फोल्ड करने के बाद दोनों जो उसके साइड्स, दोनों जो फेस हैं वो इक्वल हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे को कोइंसाइड करते हैं, ठीक है. देन वी आर हैविंग मेनी टाइप ऑफ फिगर्स एंड देयर आर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्रीज अकॉर्डिंग टू ईच एंड एवरी फिगर, okay. For example, you are having this line AB, and now we are having perpendicular bisector of this line AB. As you know very well that perpendicular bisector of line divides a line segment into two equal parts. You know very well. Perpendicular bisector जो होता है already आप construct कर चुके हो. For example, अगर AB कितना है, AB है 10 सेंटीमीटर. So your perpendicular bisector divides line in two equal parts. So AB, and let this point is O. So now this AO will be 5 centimeter and this OB will be 5 centimeter. So this perpendicular bisector will be a line of symmetry for AB. Why? Because simply this side and this side both are equal. So in symmetry, simply we are getting equal shape, okay. Then line of symmetry, it depends upon situation, depends upon diagram. You can draw vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, then also line of symmetry from diagonals, then line of symmetry from angles. For example, let this is your 90 degree. Now if you want to draw line of symmetry for this 90 degree, okay. So this is your 90 degree and this side, these two sides are equal. So now you can draw line of symmetry from here, okay. So this part and this part, these two parts are equal, and actually this is angle bisector. Then what about triangles? As you know very well, we are having equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle all sides are equal, in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So P Q R 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So P Q R, this is your equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. So in this particular triangle we are having three lines of symmetry. Number one, this. Okay, so let this point is S. As you can see, triangle PSQ and PSR both are same. ये जो PSQ और ट्रायंगल PSR है दोनों सेम है. अगर आप फोल्ड करते हैं दोनों को तो आपको एक ही ट्रायंगल दिखेगा. क्लियर? So this is the first line of symmetry. Then this one is the second line of symmetry. Okay, name this as T. As you can see, PTQ and QTR, PTQ and QTR, these are the two triangles, and PTQ, QTR, these two are same. So QT will be your line of symmetry. Then third line of symmetry from R. So let this is U. So now RU is a line of symmetry. Okay, so triangle is PUR RUQ. PUR RUQ. Okay, so in equilateral triangle we are having three lines of symmetry. Then what about isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, as you know very well that two sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. A, B, C. Let this AB and this AC, two sides are equal. Okay. So equal sides, clear? Equal sides possess line of symmetry. तो इसमें ए बी और ए सी कॉमन कौन सा वर्टेक्स है? ए कॉमन है. सो योर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री विल बी फ्रॉम ए. ओके, नेम दिस एज डी. सो ट्रायंगल ए डी बी, ए डी सी, दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स आर symmetric. Okay, then if you are having another pair of sides, let AC and BC, these two are equal. AC and BC. So as you can see now, AC and BC, vertex C is common, so line of symmetry will pass from C. So this is your D. So now ADC, CDB, these two are symmetric figures, symmetric triangles. Okay, so it depends upon sides. If you are having equal sides, then they will be symmetric. Then what about scalene triangle? As you know very well, in a scalene triangle all sides are different. So in a scalene triangle, no line of symmetry we are having. No line of symmetry. Now the questions maybe you will have just like draw a triangle in which you are having one line of symmetry. So for that you will draw isosceles triangle. Then draw a triangle in which you are having two lines of symmetry. So two lines of symmetry is not applicable in triangle. So you have to write this is not possible because in any triangle we are not having two lines of symmetry, so this is not possible. Then third, maybe you will have three lines of symmetry. So as you know, equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, and equilateral triangle has three equal sides. So three lines of symmetry it's having. Okay, so you can draw a triangle equilateral, then just you can write. So it's clear about equilateral triangle. Then next is some figures are there, and as I explained you about line of symmetry. So the first is parallelogram. Actually trapezium is there and the quadrilateral is given, in that no line of symmetry. In parallelogram also we are not having any line of symmetry. Why? Because if we are cutting or applying a line of symmetry like this, as you can see, this portion and this portion, these two portions are different, they are not same. So in parallelogram we are not having line of symmetry. Same for this. As you can see, these two are not same. The upper portion and the lower portion both are different. So in parallelogram we are not having any line of symmetry, and line of symmetry that you have to represent by dotted lines. Okay. Then next we are having rectangle. This is your rectangle, and in rectangle we are having two lines of symmetry. This is vertical line of symmetry, and as you can see, this line of symmetry divides this total rectangle into two equal parts. This is the first part and this one is the second part. Then one more line of symmetry we are having. So this is your vertical line of symmetry, and this one is your horizontal line of symmetry. As you can see, this vertical line of symmetry divides this rectangle into two equal parts, first part, second part, and the same, this horizontal line of symmetry divides this upper part and lower part in equal. Clear? Rectangle it's not possible here. Okay, रेक्टेंगल अगर आप लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री लेते हो तो वो इक्वल कोइंसाइड नहीं होता, एक दूसरे को ढकता नहीं है. पेपर में आप एक एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं, बहुत इजी है. पेपर एक पेज ले लीजिए, नोटबुक का एक पेज ले लेना. क्लियर? उसके बाद उसको फोल्ड करके देखना आप. तो उसमें आप देखोगे कि एक बार जब आप वर्टिकली फोल्ड करोगे, ऊपर से वर्टिकली फोल्ड करोगे, जैसे ये आपका पेज है, ठीक है, तो ये बीच से फोल्ड करना है वर्टिकली, तो उसमें आपके दोनों फेस इक्वल आएंगे. फिर अगर ऐसे फोल्ड करते हैं तो ये फेस इक्वल आएगा. अगर आप डायगोनली फोल्ड करते हैं तो वो इक्वल नहीं आएगा. क्लियर? देन व्हाट अबाउट